Hi guys, how was your day today? I'm putting up a brave smile. Okay, today the markets were brutally down. The Sensex kind of just down, and in fact, 22,550 levels were broken. Actually, it was much down, but it closed at a decent 22,550, and Sensex closed at 74,459. Okay, somewhere around this, the adjusted thing will come out. So now this is why the markets were down. Well, we've been talking about it for some time now, but the fact is that uh, you know any further drop, markets would be breaking the 28-year-old record of consecutively being down for it's now being more than 5 months. Okay, so it's a long fall. So it's like what to do in such a thing. So today's I'll quickly do the market trap, market closing actually. Metals and IT, these both indexes just fell. Pharma, FMCG were the one which kind of gave a little support to the market. Also, uh, what else? Advances were only 651 versus decline of 2034. Nifty small cap was down. It closed at 15,458. Mid cap closed at 49,977. Sensex closed at 74,456. It 854 points down. Nifty auto was up today. After that Tesla thing kind of, the Tesla is going to affect ये वो and all that. वो जब fade हुआ, so auto stocks were up. Actually, some of them actually M&M was up after a long time. Nifty IT was down 111, 1,100 points, 1,100 points. Nifty FMCG was up 52,256 पे 226 पे क्लोज हुआ है 56 नहीं 220 52,266 पे क्लोज हुआ है. This is the updated thing. Okay, 0.32% down. Okay, IT really brutally got punished today. Infosys was down. Now it is below that 18,000 1800 mark. 18,000 बजाय अच्छी बात है. मेरे पास नहीं है Infosys. 2.77% down. TCS was down 2.9%. 3600 75 पे है ये. 3675 पे बंद हुआ है. HCL Tech was down 1645 पे बंद हुआ है 3.2%. Wipro was down 295 पे बंद हुआ है 3.6. So all the top IT names are down. It's like actually there's this talk going on that if you Indian IT has to really do something good, something innovative, something which is they have to make products. They only not have to just uh, services provide nahi karna hai. They have to start innovating now. Otherwise Indian IT would really face problems. We have to not be only the back office of the world. We have to do something like जैसे DeepSeek वगैरह चाइना वगैरह बनाया है उस तरह से we can also do. We have more intelligence and all that. I mean, most of the major IT companies abroad have Indian CEOs. Okay, so this is not only happening in India. This down markets are down and all that. So it is like even the Asian markets were down, and on Friday actually, uh, the US markets closed uh, in the red. Because of that, the mood was already kind of somber on the Dalal Street, and because of that, gap down opening हुआ नीचे negative में, but further it just kind of kept falling. The reasons we know, they're the same reasons. The international markets were down. There's this scare of tariffs. The valuations are expensive. The earnings are not that good. Quarter 3 earnings are not that good in Indian markets. What else? Also, the money is now shifting to US. Actually, Warren Buffett has said that he's investing in Japan. He said despite of all those other things, US and all that, जो है dollar yield and all that, dollar strong है, yields high है, but he said that he is investing in Japan. Because of that उसे थोड़ा सा US का correction हुआ था on Friday. Okay, so all this is happening. Asian markets were down, and I've already spoken in my last live about the why money is going into China. If you can watch my last live. मनोज शेठ, मैं आपकी शेविंग कर दूं? हाँ, क्या करेंगे? अभी कुछ भी करने का टाइम नहीं है, मेकअप वेकअप करने का भी टाइम नहीं है, ऐसे ही लाइव कर लेते हैं हम बिना मेकअप किए. ओके, so this is not a entertainment or a beauty channel. This is for the information, okay, for the stock market and for the intelligent people who are investing. Okay, if you don't like that, I can't help you. Okay, so the thing is that where was I? Okay, so now this is what is kind of pushing the markets down, and it is like now this is something which even I have not seen. Like after say अगर ये फरवरी में भी गिर गया, फरवरी खत्म होने वाला है, so this will be after 28 years that this consecutive fall market has seen. Okay, I think Nifty is now down around 18%, 15% down heavy, and the small cap and mid cap are around 18% down. So this is actually a big fall. Anything and everything, even which I have in my portfolio, they are in the red. अभी मुझे भी टेंशन हो रहा है, but many of the stocks which I have are actually आज के gainers में है वो. VBL है, VBL was up, Varun Beverages was up today, Happiest Mind was up today. I have all these two stocks. Otherwise, what was up today and what was down today and how much. Okay, so GSK Pharma and this FMCG, these two indexes actually, even Nifty Auto also closed up. Okay, Nifty FMCG was up 0.32%, ये ज़्यादा नहीं, 52,266 पे बंद हुआ है. Okay, so Nifty Pharma में GSK Pharma was up 3.4%, 2595 पे close हुआ. Data Patterns was up 1626 पे close हुआ. 4.6% up था. Varun Beverages, I already said 4.6% up था. Happiest, I don't have these Data Pattern and GSK Pharma. Varun Beverages was up 4.6%. It was further up during the day, but it closed at this level. 4% up था. गिरे हुए मार्केट में बड़ी बात है. Happiest Minds was actually, people were running for safety. They were looking for defensive stocks. Varun Beverages, as we know, summers are going to be very tough. So now it's like all the gradually you will see the summer stocks will start picking up. AC, beverages stocks, so देवयानी इंटरनेशनल धीरे धीरे ये भी ऊपर जाएंगे. ओके, कंजप्शन ड्राइव करेगा इनको. Happiest Minds was up 361. VAM was up 2.5%. Apart from that, now we'll talk about 52-week low wala stocks. Okay, Serra Sanitary was down 4.28%. CEI Automotive was down 4.9%. 4.19%. Fine Organic was down 3.75%. Latent View was down. Wellspun Live. Now these are 52-week low stocks, but these are good stocks. These are really good stocks. Why I'm talking about these stocks? Because these are good stocks and still they were down. Okay, Serra Sanitaryware तो management studies में पढ़ाया जाता है cash cow की तरह. If you've studied all those things. So Serra Sanitaryware is a all season kind of a stock. Okay, then you have this EPL was down 9%. Healthcare Global was up 2.2%. Pfizer was up 0.49%, 4,115 बंद हुआ. Garden Reach Builders was up 1.41%. And Zomato, it's been now included in the Nifty. It was up the whole day, but it closed down. 222 पे बंद हुआ ये 0.32% now. It is now included in Nifty. Zomato. Okay. Apart from that, there's so many down actually. 2034 stocks were down for 651 stocks up. Sale was down 4%. Vedanta and NMDC, Ratnamani Metals, Tata Steel, all of these were down today. These are all good stocks. Okay, these are the stocks on my radar. So I was just noting them. L&T Tech was down. LTI Mindtree was down. Wipro, Emphasis, HCL Tech. I've already spoken about Wipro and HCL Tech. Okay, so these were the stocks which were down, and uh, today was not a very good day. Actually, many are calling it a black day. Okay, but we have some good news is that the international the international commentators, they are saying that the narrative on India is not bad. Still, as we know, this selling is happening across the EMs. In fact, even in the US. So it is not bad. The only thing is that fund managers are selling because redemptions are happening. International fund managers, so they are selling because redemption. वहाँ पे जो when people start panically selling, तो redeem करते हैं manager funds में से, तो उसके लिए पैसा चाहिए. So they are redeeming from EMs, emerging markets. They are not redeeming money from US because US and Japan and all that. So they are redeeming money from the emerging markets. Okay, but as soon as the market stabilizes a little bit, the investments will again start happening in India. They are just waiting for good earnings to come back and some consumption to come back in the Indian market. I'm talking about the Indian market. And also they are waiting for, because RBI has done their bit, the finance ministry has done their bit. So they are now waiting for the the consumption to pick up, the earnings to come back. So private capex has to now come back. It has to now gather steam. But some of the companies have today said positive things and all that. Like for example, Dixon के मैनेजमेंट का मैं देख रही थी आज, उनका इंटरव्यू देख रही थी. So they are pretty positive about the coming quarter. In fact, they are looking at high growth, and they're looking. They are now setting up a $3 billion fabrication unit. This is a 600 crore order book which they have, and they are now kind of expecting this PLI sunset, which is happening in 2005 and 2006 for the mobile thing, but they are expecting that this would be further extended. But if it is not extended, then the management is saying that they are ready for now they are ready. They have enough and they've made up that kind of a thing that they can still continue to manufacture and all. So now they are strong enough to stand on their own feet. This is what the management exactly use the words. So also they are setting up new facility in Noida. This is for display modules. Okay, this is kind of a 2 million mobile facility banega ye. Okay, this is happening in Noida. And also laptop and servers campus is also being set up. This is what the Dixon management was talking about. So this Dixon has also fallen quite a lot. 13,716 पे था ये जब मैंने लास्ट देखा था. Dixon 13,000 पे था जब इसका 14,000 पे बंद हुआ. Maybe after the management commentary it closed in the green today. 14,043 पे बंद हुआ है ये, 0.5% up. Okay, when I was watching this, it was at 13,716. So the management commentary was very good for Dixon Technologies, and they have said that we have developed ourselves that even after the PLI schemes, we can stand on our feet. We will have to 60 to 70 million capacity for mobiles. Okay, so Dixon, this is Dixon Tech. They were giving a good kind of picture for their thing. But apart from that, there are some hidden gems in this rally. As I already said, this rally, which is negative rally, which I've already spoken about a lot of stocks, which I'm tracking, which are down today. But apart from that, in fact, most of the brokerages believe that trend is a good buy because it has fallen down further today. I think जब मैंने लास्ट देखा था तो it was at 4,000 kuch tha. It closed at 5,066. So it also closed in the green today. Okay. So experts believe that quick-com trend and all, they started DMart trend, they started falling because quick-com and all that इनका threat की वजह से actually market is now reacting to everything इट्स पैनिक रिएक्शन. थोड़ा सा भी नेगेटिव न्यूज आता है, पीपल स्टार्ट सेलिंग. ऐसा कुछ माहौल है अभी. आई डोंट नो क्यों है, बिकॉज आई डोंट सी दैट नेगेटिविटी और अ ट्रेंड और अ डीमार्ट or such stocks which are good. So this is what the experts believe, that this stock can become actually 10x in the next 10 years. This is what Milind Karmakar is saying. So he has bought Trent. He has bought Trent and also DMart. He's saying that I still believe that the story is not over for Trent and DMart. So he's bought both of them, and also it's like it can see 25% growth in next 3 to 5 years, is what he's saying. He's saying that the local kirana wala will continue to do well. See, this mom pop stores wala jo story hai, that they will go out of business and all this, when I was reporting say 15 years back, even then also we used to talk about these mom and pop stores ka kya hoga. Okay, so still they're still here, they're still there even during this quick com time, where Instamart and all, they are delivering things in 5 minutes. You can also order from your kirana wala, but you can place an order on the phone for the kirana wala. The kirana wala may take आधा घंटा ये वो शाम तक जो भी है whatever, या 10 मिनट वगैरह. But what Zomato and Instamart are offering is that 10-minute delivery, 5-minute delivery. But what according to Milind Karmakar is that both these things, so local kirana wala, the big box retailers, which is the DMart, Trent, and all these types, and also the quick com thing, they are all likely to coexist, because India is a complex country. So the big cities will have the Zomato, Instamart, or whatever, Zepto, Pepto. Then the tier 2 cities and all that, उनके लिए डीमार्ट है. एक्चुअली बड़ी सिटीज में भी डीमार्ट वगैरह चलेगा. Okay, and then the local kirana wala, the small cities and the rural areas, they will continue to thrive, these small kirana wala things. Okay, so this bull market is, well, the bull market के बारे में बात करना अजीब लग रहा है अभी, but actually bull market is still, you cannot say that the bull market is over. I hope we rise from here. I hope the upper trajectory is soon taken by the market, but still, I don't know, we are in a bear grip. This is, no one can deny it. We are about to break a 28-year-old record. We have already broken a 20-year-old record of being down for the consecutive 5th month. Now we are about to break the last 28-year record. This happened last in, I think, 1996, when the markets kind of consecutively fell for more than 5 months. Okay, and even then, actually in 2006 also this happened, if I'm not wrong. I'll just look at the Sensex lifetime chart. I think 2006 also markets fell like this, and there were no particular reasons, like abhi bhi aise kuch, you can't put a finger on one, oh this is the reason why. Like in 2008 there was this Lehman Brothers thing happened, then in COVID, because of COVID, ऐसा कुछ उस टाइम पे भी नहीं था, or the overall macros were weak. Okay, let me just see. Wait. Yeah, okay. So if I look here, in 2006 also, there was this huge fall. Oh. And actually there were, I was reporting at that time. So we were also kind of, itna wo ho gaya tha ki the channel for which I was reporting for a news channel. They stopped showing business news because it was like अभी ये boring चल रहा है. This is a boring phase. There's nothing thrilling about. Oh आज ये हो गया, इतना ये level break हो गया, ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा था बीच में. वो अभी नहीं हो रहा है. So it was like they kind of मतलब हमारे न्यूज़ चलना बंद हो गया था, business news. कि अरे यार इसमें रोज ऐसे 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 चल रहा था मार्केट, वही अभी हो रहा है. इनफैक्ट इट वाज फॉलिंग, सो नो वन वांट्स टू सी बैड न्यूज अबाउट द मार्केट. So we can see that in 1996 it was like 2007-13 level पे था. उसके बाद even in 1996, okay, then 1997 there was nothing much happening. Now I'm just jumping years, okay, I'm not getting into a lot of detail. कितना टाइम हो गया? I think 22 minutes का हो गया, and I have to do some work also. Okay, so if you look at from 1990, actually if I 96 ही लेते हैं, 2007 13 पे था. Okay, then even in 1997 in around say May and all, it was again 2007 41. Then actually 2001 में भी वो तो खैर वो ट्विन टावर्स वाला हुआ था, 2594 पे चला गया था ये और गिर गया था. Further it fell. So if you see, actually I'll go back a little bit. If I look at from 1994 to 2001 that 9/11 happened. The market, now this is a good considerable. I was in school, so मैं उतना देख नहीं रही थी market. So if I look at from 1995 ले लेते हैं, 2891 पे था. वहाँ पे अगर हम चले वहाँ से लेकर till 2001 नहीं लेते हैं, because it was a very rare kind of a situation. 2000 तक the markets were ranging into 2800 से 2741. they were here, इतना ही चल रहा था. ये जो बुल मार्केट आया है ये उसके बाद आया, आफ्टर से 2001 में जब वो हुआ उसके बाद it started rallying. So this is kind of a rare kind of a situation. Let's hope things get better from here. Chart का जो है मैं I should study this chart लाइफ टाइम. अब पढ़ना पड़ेगा लाइफ टाइम चार्ट, निफ्टी और सेंसेक्स दोनों का. आई हैव टू डू दिस detailed analysis on these two. It gives you a lot of information. Of course we cannot say that ये तब हुआ तो ये अब होगा. Past performance is not a guarantee for the future performance. That doesn't happen in the market. Okay, but anyway, that is how the technical chartists and all, they work like that. Okay, so this is like but it gives you a viewpoint कि ऐसा हुआ, हो चुका है पहले और ऐसा हुआ था. But what I was trying to say is that, let me come back to that point. In 2006 when the market fell, there was no particular reasons actually. ये हुआ वो हुआ. It is something like this, but it's a accumulation, it's a collectiveness. It's a collective thing of so many reasons. Actually there is not one reason, there's so many reasons that the market is kind of behaving in this way. And this is not only happening in India, it is happening everywhere. Okay, plus of course there are some local factors and all that. And also this Trump tariff and all, which is leading to, actually we are heading towards deglobalization now, which should not happen. No one would have thought in 2025 we will talk about deglobalization. But this is happening because of these Trump tariffs. And actually, yes, there is a talk that India would get more sanctions than others, higher tariffs, because we have very high tariffs. I was talking the other day about, that we have higher tariffs than other countries. So as Trump has said that the reciprocal tariffs and all that, they will come into thing. So then India will have higher tariffs because we also put higher tariffs. Okay, so what will I say? Let's hope for a better tomorrow. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But please continue your SIPs. That is what I can say. Continue to invest and believe in the India story, because even during these times, even the foreign big investors, including all the big names that you've heard of, Chris Wood ho gaya, Jeffries ho gaya, these think tanks, CLSA and Morgan Stanley, they have said that they still believe in the India story. It's only that they want the things to settle down a little bit. And of course, bahar walon ka kya, we believe in the India story. If you look at the DIIs, they have been continuously investing in the country. Okay, there's one more thing I'll give you. स्मॉल कैप में आज क्या, छोटे छोटे माइक्रो कंपनीज में आज क्या आप था. If there were any gainers, of course there were. Uh, okay, yes, there were in small micro caps. There were gainers like Srinath Investments. This was up. The stock was up 50%. It closed at its LTP was 82.5. Then Sri Rama Newsprint, its LTP was 36 rupees. This was up 19%. Then Heads Up Ventures. This LTP was 11 rupees. Now I should not talk about these because then it's kind of uh, gives a hint at trading or something, which I don't intend to do. Okay, so this is where I'll end this live. I'll see you tomorrow. And also, as I said, believe in the India story. Try not to trade. Stay away. If you have good stocks, please, don't. I think you should not worry. I have actually not have not sold anything. Yeah, I have not sold anything. So because I have stocks in which I have conviction. Okay, so I have not sold anything. So let's see. I hope. I also have Zomato, but it has been kind of going up and down. So it was sold, then people started buying, then it was sold. Now it is included in the Nifty today, so it was up the whole day. Actually, I bought them at a very low price. Most of the stock which I bought, except for one Asian Paints, but I actually sold it off early last year. So उसका up and down मैंने नहीं देखा. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow, and stay positive about the India story, and hang on, hang in. Let's hope this fall uh, gets arrested soon. So bye bye, have a great day, and take care of yourself, and good night, and bye bye, and good evening.